Struggling to find the download button in Zoho Books? Learn the exact 4 clicks to export any document instantly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to download a document. First, open Zoho Books, then navigate to Documents, select your file, and click Download. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Click the Documents tab in the left sidebar. Locate and click the file named salesreceipt.csv. Click the Download button to save the file. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.